Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving Bitcoin still in a local downtrend, but could we be near a reversal? In this update, we'll break down both the bullish and bearish Elliott wave scenarios for BTC, so you know exactly what to watch next. We're on the daily chart, and Bitcoin hasn't confirmed a trend reversal yet. Right now, we're hovering around the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. That's between $69,000 and $82,000, a key support zone. This is the area where a bounce could happen. If we get a bounce from here, it could be a wave 5 rally. That's the bullish case. But for now, there's still no clear confirmation of a bottom. On the bearish side, we could just be in a B-wave bounce, meaning another low might still be coming. The local trend is still down, and we're basically catching a falling knife until we see a solid break above resistance. We're closely watching the descending trend line and key resistance levels, especially the $81,280 area. If Bitcoin breaks above that level decisively, it could signal a real trend shift. But if resistance holds and we stay below that level, the downside isn't over yet. There's still the chance for a final leg down, especially if stocks like the Nasdaq and S&P 500 dip again, since BTC has been following them closely. Zooming in, yesterday's bounce matched expectations. It might have completed a wave 4, but ideally, that wave would have lasted longer, similar to how wave 2 unfolded between March 31st and April 2nd. Also, the bounce looked like a 3-wave move, not 5. That's a red flag. It usually means the move is corrective, not the start of a bigger uptrend. So what should you look out for? If Bitcoin breaks above resistance, we may have already seen the low. If resistance holds, we're likely heading for one more drop. Either way, we're close to a potential trend shift, but it all depends on how the price reacts right now. If you found this helpful, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more daily crypto updates. See you in the next one.